you guys want to see how I turn this into this, stay tuned. All right, guys, almost finished. Now, the key to this is going to be, these are $2 pole sockets. Put them on the wall, drop a pole down in them, and you put up a fake wall. So $2, then you need a pole. This is the long arm. This is a 24-foot extension pole. I got 24 because I use it in different areas. I'm going to show you all of those. I'm going to do different videos on how I use the stick. But right now we're just going to use this for the YouTube unboxing studio table. Yeah. Okay, we got the stick. We need a backdrop or some curtains. So I've got these gray ones. I use the gray ones. Okay, just need a little bit more adjusting, but as you can see, YouTube Studio, and it only cost, the pole is, I paid $40 for that pole. Like I said, those cups are $2. The curtains, what, $11 a set, so $22 for the curtains. So, let's say 60 bucks, YouTube Studio. $60 YouTube Studio. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, leave a message. If you guys got any tips for me that I could use, yeah. See you in the next one. Peace.